welcome to Crochet Smash. Today I am going to do a scrap yarn project. This is a baby cap. It is like a 4 inches in diameter for the crown, so it will definitely fit for a newborn baby of 0 to 3 months old. In the magic circle we are going to make a chain 3 and 11 double crochet. So all together it will be 12 double crochet. Now we finished the 12 double crochet and I am going to slip stitch to the top. Since this is a scrap yarn project, I am going to cut the yarn at the end of each row. Now in the second round we are going to attach the next color, whatever color you have, in between the two stitches, then chain 2, and we are going to make half double crochet and go through the second loop of that one. Then we make a chain 1. In the next one we are going to make it 2 double crochet together. So make as if you are going to make a double crochet, then yarn over hook and go through the first 2 loops on the hook, leave the 2 loops on the hook, go do it one more time, bring it over, yarn over and go through the first 2 loops on the hook. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and go through the 3 loops on the hook, then chain 1. So make 2 double crochets together in each of plus chain 1 on each of the space between the double crochets. Now on the third round I am going to attach the yarn to one of the chain 1 spaces. Just bring it up, then chain 2, and I am going to make 1 half double crochet and 1 more half double crochet, and we are going to do 3 half double crochets in between these 2 clusters in every chain 1 space. If you want to see half double crochet, it is like this. We yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over hook and go through all the 3 loops on the hook. Now this round is also finished. Now we are going to attach our next color. Then I am going to attach the yarn between these 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet. Again we are going to make a half double crochet, so chain 2 and making 2 more half double crochets. Then I am going to make chain 1. Have the option to we have to weave that yarn tail using the yarn needle, otherwise it won't look good. So 3 half double crochet, chain 1 and continue this round and finish off with the slip stitch. Now we are finished the crown part of the baby cap. This is, I measured it, it is 4 inches diameter, so we are not increasing anything, we just doing the 3 half double crochet cluster, chain 1 in on every chain 1 space. This looks like a mandala, isn't it? That's why I like to call this cap a mandala cap or mandala baby beanie. Do you like to name it in any other way? Please let me know in the comments. Now we are going to make the brim for this one. So I'm going to attach the yarn between any two clusters. Oh, by the way, for this newborn baby cap, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows all together from the top to bottom. Now for the brim, I am going to attach the yarn over here, then make a chain 1, then I am going to do a half double crochet in the next stitch. This is 1, 2, 3, so here. Then we are going to do the half double crochets across this panel for this 5 clusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going up to here. So make a 1 half double crochet in each of the half double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the chain 1 space as well. Now we are going to chain 1 and turn, and we are not going to make the a half double crochet in the first stitch. We are going into the second stitch and make a half double crochet. And go all the way up to here, and we are not making a half double crochet on top of the chain 2. We are not making half double crochet in the turning chain. Now we finished up to the 1 stitch before that, then chain 1, turn, and we are going to the next stitch to make a half double crochet and go across. This is the third row of a half double crochet for the brim. So we are going to finish just up to here, not in the turning chain, not in the last one. I'm going to finish up to here. If you want more rows or more width for the brim, you can continue doing it. For me, this is enough. So I'm going to cut off the yarn, and now we can weave in the yarn tails, and we are done with this cap. It will be good for a baby boy, right? If you like this pattern, please subscribe to my channel to help me grow. My goal is to have 1000 subscribers. That's the next goal. I have over 600 subscribers now. Please help me to make it up to 1000. Very thankful for all of my subscribers. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.